be 62 in May. Started this all at 55. I bring my picture because I forget what I look like, what I looked like. I had my brow done, and you can see why. I had a forehead lift. I had chin implants right here. See where I'm sunk in there? So I had the chin implants put in. I had the facelift. Dr. Drehsen reinforced my chin. He did my neck. 14 years ago, he did my breasts. Nobody in the world would touch my breasts. He did it. He rebuilt the muscle in the back, reconstructed my breasts. They're fabulous, you know that. But my face is what's really saved me. I looked around and I really worked at finding a doctor that was right for me. And I think that this is what's the most important thing, is finding a doctor that's right for you. And Dr. Drehsen is right. I'm telling you that. We all, as women and men, we go to doctors and we go, oh, I just love their office. I think I'll have a facelift there. I'm telling you, I love their office. I think I'll let them give me a physical. Oh, the nurse was so great. Oh, the doctor is so soft-spoken and has such good feelings about him. I'm not so sure that these are the right answers. The right answers to me are who's going to do the best job for me. Not because somebody down the hall from the condo that I live in had a facelift and it was okay or something. But who has the technique? Who's the sculptor? Who's the artist? And that's what I was looking for. I was looking to make the right choice. We make so many wrong choices as women and men. I'm not excluding you, but you need to make the right choice. And for me, I will say this. Nobody's paying me to say this. I'm just telling you, ladies, make the right choice. Come and see Dr. Drehsen. He will tell you the truth. If he doesn't think you need something, he's going to tell you. He's going to say, go home. I sat next to a lady one day, and she said, I went to Dr. Drehsen, he said, go home, come back in 5 years. I went to him because I was sitting with my mother one day, and I said to her, I'm looking so old, and I look at you, and you're so lovely. And I said, what should I do? And she said, get a facelift. So you know what? I went, and I did. My husband didn't want me to have a facelift. And my daughters didn't want me to have a facelift, and nobody was talking to me. Everybody was really angry. That's what I looked like, and they were really happy. I wasn't happy. So I did this really for me, and Dr. Drehsen worked with me. I went in that office 8-10 times for consultations. I really did. I just kept going and going and going until everybody made me feel that this was the right thing for me to do. And I want to tell you something. I made the right choice, finally made the right choice. And because of it, I wrote down a few things, which I never usually write down. But because of that, my husband was so angry. Now, I said to him the other night, if we were to refer anybody for a facelift, he said, I would refer our daughters, our sons, all our family, my sisters. He said, if I needed one, now he's 60, I'm going to be 63. He said, if I needed one, he said, I would see Dr. Drehsen. Here is a man that was so against, and here is a man who is so for. And I'm telling you, that's an important thing. What Dr. Drehsen gave me was a way that I could go and face my life and my older age really more gracefully. And I'm ecstatic. I feel really good now. I'm going to be 62 in May. It's been 6 years since I've had my facelift. I'm feeling wonderful.